Since 2008's Swine and Grind, Jordan Brand has been responsible for the K54 competition in terms of sponsorship and product development. Even while the Dongdon Streetball competition appears to be on track to provide a true running mate for the annual series, the French-inspired capsule is still the best option for the time being. Although the collection for 2025 hasn't been any less unified than earlier capsules, it does highlight the diversity of the Jumpman's present lineup. With a limited application of the K54 style, the hybrid Jordan Flight Court now joins the Luka 4, Luka.77, and Air Jordan 1 Low OG. This year, it is expected to have a high-octane black and yellow blend. This combination paints the sole unit and trim around a basis of white leather and suede. The striped insoles are the most visually striking feature of the 2025 tournament's marketing materials, and the shoebox ends with a double dosage of Jordan or K54 branding. The Jordan Flight Court K54 is scheduled to be released on June 13.